Chime Credit Builder has no annual fee, no interest, and no credit check, while OpenSky charges an annual fee and requires a refundable security deposit starting at $200. That makes these two cards feel similar at first, but they work very differently. By the end of this, you'll know which one makes more sense for your credit situation and your budget. Here's the short answer. If you want the lowest risk option with no borrowing, Chime is easier. If you need a traditional secured card and want full revolving credit reporting, OpenSky can be stronger. Start with Chime. Chime Credit Builder is linked to your Chime checking account. You move money into the secured account, and that money becomes what you can spend. That means if you load $150, you can spend $150. There's no interest because you're not borrowing. That makes Chime simple for beginners or anyone scared of debt. It also reports payment activity to the credit bureaus, which helps build history. The downside is flexibility. You need a Chime account, and your spending power depends entirely on what you preload. Now, OpenSky. OpenSky works like a standard secured credit card. You put down a refundable deposit, usually at least $200, and that becomes your credit limit. That setup matters because it behaves like a regular credit card. You can carry balances, manage utilization, and build revolving history the way lenders usually expect. The biggest advantage is accessibility. OpenSky doesn't require a credit check for approval. That makes it popular for people rebuilding after bankruptcies or serious score damage. But there's a trade-off. OpenSky charges an annual fee, and interest applies if you carry a balance. That makes it more expensive if you don't manage it carefully. Now the comparison. Chime is better if your goal is simple spending control and zero interest risk. OpenSky is better if your goal is learning traditional credit card habits while rebuilding. For pure cost, Chime usually wins because there's no annual fee. For traditional credit building depth, OpenSky often wins because it reports like a normal revolving account. Here's the part people miss. Chime protects you from debt. OpenSky teaches you how to manage debt. That's a huge difference. Quick recap. Choose Chime if you want no fees, no interest, and tighter control. Choose OpenSky if you want a standard secured card and can handle the annual fee plus balance management. Your next step is simple. Decide whether you want credit training or debt protection first. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more credit card comparisons.